Unlocking the mysteries of could. Hello, English language explorers. Today, we're taking a journey into the world of modal verbs. Specifically, we're looking at the word could. This small but mighty word is packed with meaning and can help you express your thoughts more clearly. So, let's dive in. The word could is a modal auxiliary verb. It's the past tense of can. But it doesn't just talk about the past. It can express a variety of meanings and is used in many different ways. Stick with us to unravel the secrets of could. First, let's discuss how could represents past ability. For example, when I was younger, I could run very fast. This tells us about a past ability, something that was possible in the past but not necessarily now. Could is also a polite way to make requests or ask for permission. Could you pass me the salt, please? It's softer and more formal than can. It's a great way to show respect and consideration in your communication. Surprisingly, could isn't just about the past. It can express future possibilities too. It could rain later today. This means that it's possible for it to rain. Not certain but possible. Finally, could is used to talk about conditional situations. If I had more time, I could read more books. This tells us about a hypothetical situation, something that isn't true but could be under different circumstances. And there you have it, a deep dive into the word could. By using could correctly, you can convey a range of meanings: past abilities, polite requests, future possibilities, and conditional situations. So get out there and start practicing. I hope this video has been helpful. Remember, mastering a language is all about practice, so keep using could in your conversations and writings. Thanks for watching and see you in our next journey into English language learning.